In this video, I want to show how strip can be used in WordPress. This is a hyperlink which links to an image, and when I click on this, you can see that the image slides from the left, and here there's a close button, and the caption appears at the bottom like this. We can close this by clicking on the close button like that, or we can also click anywhere else on the page to have that image slide out of the view like that. So if we take a look at the back end, you can see that that's just an anchor tag where the href is set to the full path of the image and class is set to strip. So the default behavior of this is to display the image from the right without any caption. And we can add an attribute called data strip caption and specify the desired caption, which should appear below the image like that. And that caption appears at the bottom like that. And we can pass further options using data strip options attribute. And for example, we can set the side from left as left, and we can set the max width as 500. So in this case, the image is going to slide from the left side, and the width is going to be restricted to 500 pixels. Okay, so we can use jQuery to essentially make this strip work with images inside the WordPress galleries. So here on this page I have 3 galleries. So if I click on this, you can see that the image slides from the right, and this is the image caption, which also appears here on the page. And we can see that all the images in the gallery are grouped together. So since there are 5 images in this gallery, it shows 1 out of 5. And when I hover on the image, we can see the left and the right navigation. We can either click on these, or we can also use the right arrow key and left arrow key to go to next and previous images. So once we reach the end of the gallery, pressing the next will cycle through the gallery. So again we see the first image, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Now we can press escape to close that, or we could have just clicked the X, or we could have clicked anywhere on the page. Now let's take a look at gallery 2. The images in this gallery are of different dimensions. So you can see this is a very wide image. Now irrespective of how wide the image is, there's always going to be some gap here so that user can click here in case they want to go back to the web page. You can see that these are the captions which are dynamically pulled. So these are not hard coded. Whatever is the caption that's entered in the WordPress backend is what appears here.